right, out on the ice we got Max, Calvin, Ryan, and Alex. Punching it through. Oh, working it. Alex trying to, oh! Here come the monsters. Max is on D. Good save by Lana. Good job, Max. Way to control the puck. Nice pass! Nice pass! Uh-oh. Here come the monsters, all alone. Monsters working in front. Looks like a breakaway. Oh! Looks like a penalty shot. It is. First penalty shot of the game. Alex Skandarian looking to get the go-ahead goal on a penalty shot. And here he goes. Nice shot, Alex! Well played. Skandarian finding the upper corner on the penalty shot. Out on the ice we have Ryan, Cameron, Brandon, and Alex. Back behind the net to Augusta. Augusta forgets the puck. Oh, gets it back there and battles. Here comes Alex. Gets his pocket picked. Good job, Brandon. Dumps it down the ice. Over to Cameron. Over to Ryan. Off the boards. Nice bounce pass. Oh, here we go. It's a good pass. Alex gets the puck. Riptide controlling the puck. Nice play. Good save by the goalie. Let's see it happen again. A little shot on net. Oh, nice play! An excellent pass and a perfect shot. Finding the 5-hole. 4-2. Riptide. Ooh, almost caught the goalie sleeping. Ryan. Oh, needed a little air on that puck. Brandon from a long distance. They're peppering him. Nice pass. Oh, an excellent shift. Out on the ice, we have Cameron, Calvin, Brandon, and Max. Cameron almost gets his pocket pick. Here comes Brandon. Oh, nice save, Lana! Lana with a nice blocker save. Brandon looking for a man in front. Vogel picks up the puck. Dumps it in front. It's picked off. He's chasing it down. Cameron's got the puck. Here it goes. Max is all alone. Yeah! Vogel scores! 5-2. Nice shot by Vogel on that play. Here comes Cameron. Bounces one. Nice save by the goaltender. Nice. Brandon gets it. He's all alone. He shoots. Nice save. Lana needs a scoop of water. Max gets his pocket pick. Uh-oh, here come the monsters. Oh, nope, Alex with good D. Vogel's got the puck. And he falls. Oh, Ryan with a shot. No goal. Nice pass. Oh! Good job, Calvin. Keep it behind the net. Good job, buddy. Oh, Max pinching him off behind the boards. It's a battle. Oh, here we go. Calvin, one-on-one. Nice pass to Ryan, who shoots. No goal. Got to work on getting a little air under that shot for Augusta. Had some great opportunities today. Here we go. Out to Calvin. Calvin to Augusta. Oh, Max has come back on D. Oh, over the net. Out on the ice. Alex, Ryan, Brandon, Cameron, and Lana with a great save. Good job, Lana! Oh, they pushed it all the way through. 5-3, they're climbing back.
1 minute remains in the first period of play.
Uh-oh, breakaway on Lana. Some good back checking though. Oh, breakaway! No goal.